Yeah, baby, what's up?
You didn't hear me say stop calling me that?
Sorry about that. Roxanne, what's up? Babes. You know, say from last night when you was asleep, I'm just kind of think about the whole situation about me. I must have daughter 15 at this moment. I mean, I give over 17, 18 there. And I like the fact that all the time, when I want to argument, and me first always a step and I try to make things right. But watch out, me are the man, so me have to just play the role. So me just a step forward now. Just tell us I'm sorry. All if I'm me right or me wrong, just I try to tell us I'm really sorry. Cause real one is work. Maybe not for me or not for you, but for the child, isn't it?
Well, our daughter at 15, so this can't be about her no more. She's a big girl now. She have to understand some mommy and daddy not agree no more.
Tell me, what your main interest about the relationship? For example, you have me, you have yourself and you have your daughter. Just what your main interest? Cause I feel like my main interest are with daughter, also you. So what's your main interest towards the relationship?
Well, you know how far I come from. And I did love you for real. But right now, I need to focus on myself and money. I can't do this to Kayla no more. I can't do this for you no more. Me have bigger things that I need to focus on. And you know deep in yourself say you Kayla prefer. So why am I going to stay for she? Why? There's so much more I can accomplish if you go on with Kayla and allow me to live my life and do what I need to do. I just the truth.
Just have to act like me you hear you saw a while ago about your daughter. Me good. But one more thing, me sure say me know about the text them and me know about the local young man who I call you. And me know say you always bring him in our bed. That's cool.
Come like them set up on me. You come to irritate me. You don't feel like some out here to become more some space and I need time to think and clear my head. When you come right to start annoy me and I tell me about young man, which young man? Which man, which text? May I talk to you? If you talk about Kelly, you talk about Kelly. If you talk about relationship, you talk about that. When you talk about man, boy. You give me man? I don't know what you talk about. And the conversation done right here, so I have nothing more to say to you.
Yes.
I have nothing more to say to you.
You have me a six. See if you ever dump me, dump me. But remember, don't dump your daughter. Because you see your daughter are your own flesh and blood. And don't choose a young boy over your daughter. Here. So when I dark, we come in a light.
No. Because me just never get the time for call you, you know. I soon see you, man. Stop worrying now. You soon can come over and stay longer. Even stay for good, because I'm going to put him out either way. You know I'm not play. Like him have to leave. He might become one PN right now. He just annoy me. Like every chance when him get, him try to talk about right relationship and we want to fix things because of Kayla and my daughter, you know. So him have to go. I can't take nobody annoy me right now. I just can't do it. Yeah, like him have to go. I can't. I can't take it no more.
Mommy, what?
You listen on the phone? Well, no, you listen on the phone to talk to my man?
Yeah.
We can't have some peace? We can't have peace? Just give me a minute, I'm calling back there.
No, understand what you're saying. Say that.
You think my size, not true?
No,
you think my size?
No, what me want
What do you want, Kayla? What is it?
Mommy, I have a dream about my grandfather when he came go buy ice cream, but I want to tell her from morning. But true, you're there on the phone and you're still there on the phone and I want to talk to you about.
So you don't know where your father there? Eh? Do you not know where your father there if you go call him and tell him say I have a dream? Look at me, I have time for this? You come to me and tell me about a dream? I'm up on the phone, I have a conversation, you come out here, come and tell me about a dream. You're not serious? You know, hear me talk to you? No do that again. No make that mistake there again.
Mommy, but me need to talk to you.
No, but nothing. Me no, girl, listen, come out of my face. Go on, come out of my face. Until the father say me talk to him.
Not tell him. Daddy!
Look a bit enough.
What kind of style? What you deal with your daughter, so?
What I deal with my daughter, oh?
Your daughter say you want to talk to you about something important and you tell the daughter say.
I know you should always come to, why she come to me on the phone and have a conversation?
You know the reason why she always come to me? Because you don't make time for her. So that's one of the reasons why she always come to me. And you know the problem about it? You hate her for that as a mother.
Me don't know what you talk about that one. Two, there's no way this child see me talk on the phone and she go come out here come cut me at him about gym. Me don't have time for that, a foolishness. Me don't have time for that. Me dep on the phone and have a conversation, she gonna tell me what she want to talk about dream. And then you should always come to.
Don't worry yourself, man.
You're in the house, why she choose to come to me?
You see your love where you forgive her, me I go give her it.
No.
Also my own.
Me happy you said that because me now if you tell you can go on today, me that upset today. You understand?
Yeah, sure, so I just want to do.
Yeah, bring everything. Come know when you come back and I say, you left this, you left that. So memorize everywhere you left something and take them up and go on. Would appreciate it if you can go on now.
You know, so me buy the house in a year name. And all along, my family, my friends, them tell me say I shouldn't do it. But because I care and I love you, I do it. A matter of fact, you remember how much for the house? When I buy in a year name?
Yeah, act like you're a mama, man. And me no need to remember how much money you spend on this. Because the look at 30 mil where you put towards this can't compare to what my man gonna give me. You understand? Say no matter, it don't matter.
You know the difference between a mama man who spend and take care of his family.
Me no want to know.
And the difference between a local boy upon the side who just give you a nice time. A matter of fact, you see 30 million for the house, just know say me owe 15%. So watch
my man, we cover it,
yeah,
you not worry.
Just make him cover it. Big up yourself.
Just go on now. You come to argue?
Come here, baby. No, you die, do this. Come here.
Yes, Daddy.
Yeah, when I look for your mother here, she just kick me out, but that's good. I have a problem. You don't have a problem with you? Kick out the youth.
Kayla, listen, look for me when I talk to you. And I said, I kick you out, you know. But I know you prefer your father at the end of the day, you go and go with him. So just, and it best for you too, because I'm not gonna have no time for you. Like, me have so much more things that I have for my plate to start out. My boyfriend I gonna need some time, so me just can't focus on you right now. You're a big girl, only we figure it out. Your mother love you, me just not have no time right now.
What's your baby? Hush. Let's go and look up everything. I'm soon come here. You Roxanne, Delilah, Thompson. One thing I can't tell you. You see, same way you spread the bed, I same way you go lie down tonight. I used to just like how you left me and run me out of my house. You see, little sugar daddy, where you call sweet candy, I same way I'm going to run you out of your house.
Yeah. Me just appreciate the fact that you're not put up the fight for left out of the house.
Yes, nice one.
Yeah.
Oh, my furniture house. Baby. So you're baby.
I feel bad.
Basically, this is our island to oversee. That's on the kitchen area. Basically, just put a bed or something. Maybe last thing and we used to there. Maybe have our keys or something. Basically, guessing here's all the room then.
Oh, so that's supposed to be for your bedroom then?
Yeah, my bedroom, daddy bedroom,
Yeah.
father bedroom. In your nice door.
Yeah, better than where I come from still.
Although I'm not ball on the price. The person tell me say $30, you can't say more $30.
Yeah, at least I have a roof over my head.
We still have to ball on the price some more because hard time I know my daughter.
Yeah.
Joke. Go so I go in the kitchen with my daughter.
Come on.
Kayla,
Yeah, sorry.
why you never take you out of here? I have to learn from now enough to make take care of that work. When you if this community is safe or don't safe, take care of that work.
You never remember.
You can not get some fresh air or something. Oh, money and I need just something people I need to say.
They would almost never take up your money. I'm very hard.
You know, doctor. You're 15.
What's that?
You're a big girl. You know you're small, but you're still a child. I mean, you see the situation with me and your mother. To be honest, I never really want you to see it. You see me?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, say, me and your mother relationship problem. I feel just dash it in your face.
So why you never work out?
Well, to be honest, me I'm a hard working man. You know, I do everything, do side work. Me when me can't get no trade work, I just go do labor work just to make two ends meet. You understand?
Yeah.
Me not gonna blame my mother. Although she left me, me not gonna blame her. But we have a problem from this long time. Me just not try to make it work because of you. She never not try to make it work. I mean, I'm gonna say I don't care about you, but I feel like if you care about you upon an extreme level there, you want to try to make it work. Enough people have relationship and they not work, but them try to fix it or try to make it better. Or enough of them go through some shit, some things in them relationship, just hold a relationship because of them youth. So that I'm not trying to do. I'm kind of sick and tired of the man them where I call her phone and I sign friend them in church, bridging and a pastor.
Oh, so that's not one.
Right. So, I'm not going to tell her, say, I know I'm a good mother. She used to be a good mother, but it changed. Or maybe I'm a change. So she decides to leave her place. And you decide to say you want to come with me.
Yeah, I come with you.
Me want you to stay. Because I feel like it's a girl child.
Yeah.
I feel like a mother to grow them.
So suppose me turn with her now and she get man and him and but abuse me.
Well, that's one next story. I mean, I really want to set away there, so I'm glad you come. So as I say, I know you're first, I'm kind of proud of. You know, say, you come and rent this place, and the first thing you have a bed for yourself. Nothing wrong if me and you sleep together head and tail, because you're my daughter.
Right.
Right, that's that there. But I'm proud to have a little space, and one bathroom there, right, that's all.
Yeah.
You understand? So the point of me, I say, now, see your mother, she changed. Certain things I don't want to set you up because you have a seat for yourself. But no care what happened to me and your mother, don't hate her.
I don't hate her.
If you want to hate her, you hate her off of your own term.
To be honest, I love you more, you know, because I can't send her talk to me. I don't have the time. But sometimes I talk to her, she want to show it off for me. She don't have no understanding.
And that's one of the things where me and her break up. She don't have no time for me, she don't have no time for the relationship, and she don't have no time for her family. And most of all, the most important thing, she don't have no time for you, her one blood, her one daughter. So I'm kind of sick and tired. And I kind of realize you love me more. And that's one of the things will make your mother hate me too.
Mommy hate you?
She hate me.
Oh, I never did know.
She hate me because you show me more love, but maybe because I spend more time with you, I kind of raise with you. Because sometimes I try to raise with you. I don't raise with you as a father to a daughter. I raise with you as two 15-year-old. So I try to fit in I have a little space as a little 15-year-old, but I can't understand you. You get what I say?
Yeah, because sometimes I wonder if a big woman in a little pit in the body. If a little pit in a big woman body.
And you see one more thing to my daughter. You see tribulation me and my mother go through. She not have a steady job. We have a rent out, as I can say.
Yeah, rent house.
And some of those want you to go to school. I will try my best make you go to school every day.
Yeah.
Just want you to go to school, take your education, learn all the way you can learn in school. That means that when you leave school, you can try to do better than me, you can try to do better than your mother. Try to make a change there in your family. If me no make it, your mother make it, you fi try to make it. That means that you can pave the way for your daughter or your son in the future.
Make you proud.
Oh God, man. Me I wait for your day, my daughter.
Yes, you got to take education.
That's the key. You see me, because watch you pray now. You see, man, you understand, so now 15, I have a pray on a little boyfriend. That's a part. The whole I went into that. Me, your mother, when we young, but But by the end of the day, a man always gonna be there. And for the man levels, teenager girls always gonna be there. But it's education. It's once you pass it, if you need to go back, it's hard for 15 to where you pass. You see me? So just try your best.
Yeah.
And me not go on like me and I have problem in a relationship, you have problem. So you see the greatest thing, me know for reason you want another, you see me?
Yeah, I understand.
And one more thing, anytime you get the chance to call your mother, call her, tell him say you're rich and your father in the place and you're good. You don't have to give him back information, but just check on him now and then here.
Yeah.
Kawa, are your mother. No Kiewa, are your mother. Alright, so I'm kind of tired. They exhaust everything I want. So I'm just going to bring them back. You go into the room.
Yeah.
Also, you can sweep out, spread up the bed. If you want to rest to come, if you say you're tired.
Yeah, look
So
what I
just go in the room and straighten up in there. And then we'll look a bit lie down and then we talk here.
Yeah, where room?
There's someone man. Say alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright, Daddy.
Phone come here. She knock out man. She tired. All the clothes I'm telling her to fold up and she need to fold them up. Come on, she's stressed out just like me father, yeah boy. Let's go now, figure that. Cha. My father, you see he's struggling with my daughter about you, you know. You see he's struggling, you know. I'm not looking at sympathy, you know. I'm not looking at handout, you know. All the thing where the Father God, please me, I beg you, just pave the way. To put some work in my way, Father God. Because I want hard working youth. Just that me look my Father God. And many times I pray to your Father God and I ask you. And you don't reply, you don't answer back yet. But I still I pray. Come on, the help. Maybe I'm busy. I'm still I wait. Daughter 15, 18 years behind the mother there. I made that a wicked woman there, everything. And now she just decided to throw me out. That's cool. You know, it hurt me a lot. You decided to throw me out to your daughter, your own flesh and blood. That means you don't care about your daughter, you care about man, you care about a young boy. One thing we can tell you. Anytime that young boy tired in your jungle and find one different lion in your jungle, dog never suffer, boy. You have so many different species in your jungle. Why do you think that young boy ever want to follow up your jungle? What goes around, come back around. One thing, I give up on my daughter, you know. You tired of work? The tired man say I'm here for the clothes. I think you're tired, boy. All of it tired, I say go. So what happened now?
Nothing happened.
Yeah, I thought you have to sleep, man, like you have nightmare. Eat too.
What are you? No.
God, you wake up and you're hungry. So you're not in your sleep?
No.
You're not in your sleep, no burger, nothing?
Not at all, I can't see.
Jesus Christ, my child. Oh God. You know, so before you wake me just there, I talk to Father God.
Yeah, what are you saying?
Oh boy. You know, so one money me have left. One money. Anyway, I'll buy one bulla. I'll look at juice. The 3 bills.
Thanks.
Just if I can buy some more shop, I can order. Matter of fact, me have a dollar for tomorrow.
Where are you tomorrow?
Well, no, no, I'm a child, but God will provide, yeah?
Yeah.
God will provide. Let's go buy something.
Want bula?
No, when we finish, I'm going to buy a bullet for myself. Just buy what you want.
Oh.
Yeah, just go and go shop and something.
Yeah, it's so come back.
Be careful on the road, yeah?
Yeah.
When you come back and eat any food, right, digest,
Yeah.
you can just hold a bait, because you hold it up on the road for a morning. When we do it, hold a bait, same way.
Yeah, which part the shop there?
Well, my child, I don't know, just go on out on the road and be careful.
Alright.
As a matter of fact, when you not come in, I think me say a shop out on the front. Just buy what you want here.
Yeah, alright.
Alright, be careful here.
Yeah.
Alright. Jar down your skirt, man. Jar down your skirt. No one will try to show nowadays. Oh God, one daughter, him show me more love, man, the wicked woman. Say, madam, I'm a wicked girl. I just show me now, my daughter know nothing about him, mother say wicked, you know. Come now, auntie, hate him, mother. I'm not that type of father, I'm not that type of person. Your mama wicked. All the same bed for my daughter, the man, he mother kind young man. A young man I do it now. Me proud of my age. And I can't tell you. That day when I grew up, my daughter really realized who he is. Eh? They'll shop gear. I look all carry a bag of market and buy. I look how so I carry a couple young boy in and me Billy. Oh boy. You're not a mistake, boy. Boy, me have a fed up, boy. I'm a mother and also a father. Oh boy. Yes, Miss Rona. Yes, ma'am. Pleasant good afternoon, ma'am. Yeah, man, the new tenant. Yeah. You have a safe flight? Yes, ma'am. You can just send. This is my number. We're gonna set up WhatsApp in a minute, so you can just send me the information when we can bank the rent a month time. No, me not moving at the house today. No. I don't move in as yet. Me just come check to see if the place nice. Today is what? Today is Tuesday. I'm gonna move in. Next week Tuesday I'm gonna move in, me and my daughter. I'm just gonna check on the place and clean up. So anytime I move in next week Tuesday, ma'am, I'm gonna call you and tell her that I move in. So I just clean up the place now, ma'am. And one more thing, ma'am. The roof have a look how when the rain fall hard, you can see say it a leak like it a sweat. You understand the roof? Yes, ma'am. And in the kitchen too, ma'am, the cupboard like chicha near me down. You understand? The bathroom, ma'am, kind of smell more like the person them was here before leave them dump inside. So me have to pay somebody to clean out that. Because me not clean out that, ma'am. You understand? So, a matter of fact, I'm gonna clean out it. So I'm just asking you, ma'am, all of them things when me see now the roof a leak and all of them things that the chicha and yam down the cupboard. I wonder if you can take off an next 10 or 5,000, ma'am. Take the picture and send it, ma'am. Ma'am, remember, say I want to look at you that phone me have, you know. So when me take a picture and send you, he can't show you, say, nah, sure good. Because it's not a good phone, me have a low grade and a high grade. Thank you, ma'am. You're going to take off 8,000. Thank you, ma'am. Have a blessed day. Next week, choose when me move in, me call. I'm going to get a better phone, video the place and call them, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a blessed day. Jesus Christ. You see it? Me I feel lie, me way through. And lie is not a good thing, you know. Lie is not a good thing. Father God, anytime I start work a good money, I have to buy a lady a beer, you know. I have to buy my beer. your man come on my yard. Delilah, me I warn you, Delilah. Stop your man come on my yard, Delilah. Delilah! I dream. I dream. All them left you wicked girl, me still a dream upon him. Dada. Why me father got it? Why such a good life? Why such a good man like me I go through them a struggle? The 17th year, all me do is just be real to my wife and she be cheer me. If I go through them a struggle, my daughter, man, if you go through them a struggle, your father got it. Ring.
General.
Pupidan.
Why pray?
Pupidan, are you?
Yeah, man, I mean, man, a long time in a year from you, G.
Father, God know my friend. Morning anyhow.
Morning, my general. You good?
Boy, me have life, me good, but me not good, my friend.
Bro, talk to me now, bro. Talk
Are you
to me.
alone there with them friend? You just say your girlfriend, your wife?
No, me alone there, me there.
Father, me know me just wake up and everything. But me not want to give you my problem. Me want to lend you it.
No say so, man. You have a G, you know, man. We talk about anything, you know.
Father, me I tell you honest truth. You know me woman,
Yeah.
Delilah. Yeah.
How we should do now?
Bro, you man show me out. I'm a one house, me and my daughter, my friend.
What? I lie you tell, man. No say so, man.
Me stress out, my friend. Me tired, me stress out. Bro, like, I just in mercy, I gotta hold me up right now, my friend.
I prank you, man. You start on YouTube channel now.
Father, you know, say me even know about YouTube, TikTok, or social media. You know that.
So how Delilah fit do that, man? You not deal with Delilah good, man.
Father, me buy him house.
Hold on, not gonna further. Where location there now? I'm gonna come there and check.
Yeah, cause me can't, me not really want to talk on the phone. You remember when me come check you, me ain't got one bar. Right, when you come up a big and go down. pass Timor and come down.
Oh,
You see a bar there.
Selena bar there.
Selena bar. When you pass a bar there and come up the first turn off on your right, come in at the lane. You get what I say? I think you have one look skoog in the same lane too.
Alright, bro. I got you, bro. My fault.
Please, my father.
Yeah, man.
One thing me always can count on a youth, and no matter where me I go change life, you know. Matter and the reason why I can count on a youth is because youth are not going to change problem and me help him. Hello, Delilah. Wicked woman, tap call my phone. Your daughter have a number. Tap call my phone and call the daughter number. You're a wicked woman, a young boy you say you want. I want a young boy broke up your home, you see. Come off of my phone. Come call my phone, but which part with you?
Hey, cuz.
Bye-bye.
Then, good.
Yeah, I'm there. About... Stop, look, supposed to broke my finger. Calm down, man. What a problem?
There, I'll go on easy, you know.
Well, now, one I was breeze blowing over here.
I say, I pay a breeze a blowing. I say, I blow me over here. So, what's going on now?
But then I'm going... No, I'm not cook today. But I'm planning to cook today. I'm going to say I'm alone living, so... You know, I go to make cook every day.
I need to find a man. Your life just boring, so.
Don't worry about my boring life. For about years, the woman not cook.
No, my woman not cook till later. My woman gone on the road and deal with something.
Then my woman cook make you get food for eat. You come out bother me.
So I become a family yard and get some food. You don't come my yard enough time and get food.
That's enough time. Once in a blue moon, for Christmas or so.
You still get food. One of them the time they ain't tell us to make your man buy a food or look for food.
Yeah, right, you know.
So anyways, you know what I'm saying? I see my boy just call me door. Yes, I know. And my boy always help me up, man, when I did. But in the days, I'm struggling. Yes. Yes, I mean, and then I tell me son right now. Same woman, Delilah, with him. Yes, I mean.
Wait, I want to teach you how to do tiling.
Him see a man.
Yeah. So I'll go with him.
I say, I beat, you know. I mean, I play song, you know, what say. And say, man, wicked, but man, Delilah. And say, time man call me on the phone at me here, I ring. And then the man started telling me, Delilah, put him out there. So,
For you hear the name, they know the woman, they're not good woman. I get what I'm saying.
Yeah, no.
Okay.
He never begged me to help him still, you know. Yes, I mean, he said nothing to me, you know, but me just say, if you like something to help him, because I that pray a while ago, say, you know, give me a bike or something, you say, because maybe, if you have it, you can go run to buy taxi or something with it. You say, because I say, they don't
So
want
wait, you don't have one daughter or something like that?
Yeah.
But me, I said, are your friend, I had him come from far, you always something, I always help you, so why not? If you're not used to the bike, I can help you.
Yeah, because I have other bike, you know, other bike.
Oh, 2 bike you have?
Yeah, man, see there, I burgundy one right come, so I black one, I go for now, and give me. Yes, I say, I want to work, and then I help out one time, you know, and that make him pay me back feet, and he violate me. Yes, I say, I'm not people bother put in a scene, so I do it right way, man, because we have to help you. But I not help you though, because I always help you, you know, help me on that food. Because I know you have food in there, you think it's easy.
I don't cook, you want to take a look? I don't cook.
You don't take it on artist though. You need to turn artist.
You know what, go on. Because every time you come on my hand, it's all about the food. Your belly. You love your belly too much.
You love man, I don't get none.
Or yourself, I love man, and I get listen, if you want man.
I go sit up on a damn white man down there.
I don't want any white man friend them. Go on my business.
Later here.
Alright.
You can link you back later if food cook.
The food now cook me say I'm alone live. Go on man. So you with that. Don't come go in there. Daddy. Afraid?
No, my child, I'm not afraid, man. Just a think about life, you know. I'm not afraid, my child.
Tell you that's so early, come get up and go in your room and beat to me.
Go couldn't sleep, man, you know? Just have a rough. Just have one crazy dream. You
You
know?
wake up and me hungry. I mean, that dream about.
You know, some of us dream so life have better for me and my child. Because you're hungry.
You're hungry, bad.
Bad.
I'm hungry.
You're hungry.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Now I'll make you get something for you. I soon go buy something for you. I soon come just go and go spread the baby down some here.
Yeah, alright. You're good.
Yeah, man, I'm good, my child, man.
Not fighting now.
No, man, I'm not afraid, man. I'm good,
Just
man.
believe in a God, everything will alright.
That are my child.
Yeah?
You are my child.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, my daughter.
Yeah.
Alright, my dad. Hello? Mr. Rona, mom. No, mommy, just go send off money, mommy. Just go send off money. So if you not receive the money, maybe I want wrong number you give me. Just check here and let me know, mom. Alright, mom.
Them man now wicked, but the man a Delilah.
Copy that.
I pray now.
Reach bad, bro.
Yeah, man. So I know say you love the poker bread and cheese. So they get one for you and your daughter still. So they consume already.
Father God, brother, man. Holy for thanks.
I mean, when we are G, you know.
Thank you, Father. And it's one of my prayer, Father. My daughter,
Yes, Daddy.
come here, Kayla.
Oh, go on, good.
You remember my friend Poppy Dan?
Yeah,
When me and him used to up on his side. Alright, in there, come give me a check. One more thing. I tell us that Father God have a deliver, you know.
Yeah.
That are your breakfast.
Oh.
There no drinks never out there, you know. They don't have no drinks, so just go drink some water any time. We soon get drinks here, yeah. Yeah,
Alright.
no drink the cold water, you know. Alright, we soon come.
Alright.
Yeah. Go on, Peter, bro.
Oh, man, a good man. You eat, man.
You know some young. You know some young, bro.
Yeah, so you see that man, you know, with Delilah. But look like you're hungry, bro. Look like you're hungry, man. And then make second the poker bread and cheese and hungry, man.
Daddy,
Hmm?
you forget something buy some juice yesterday, my gosh, but I even juice, a bag juice.
Oh, God, man.
But I still can't drink, let me drink some already.
Thanks, my baby, here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Like how you're growing, if you're a good daughter, just keep the good words, you see me?
Thanks, my friend.
Yeah, man.
Man, listening. Man, phone there, baby, give me.
I didn't show me, bro. You know, saying that's how I live, man. So let's show me
You
out.
know when I start hurt, my friend. I understand. You come like me and me come like you, not like me. I just keep coming with the nitty-gritty right away. She hungry. You come holding her longer, my
So,
friend.
yeah, tell me some mama show you out of your house and stuff. So how you get this out? I rent yard, I got a link, I can go and build it.
I rent it. And tell her say woman just call me before you come in. And me tell the woman to send off money. Me not send off $1. Because you know you have to pay when you rent in the back.
Yeah, deposit have to give
So
me
we give one money already and the second money I want it. The month in the back or whatever. I give my $1, my friend.
So you go do now, bro.
You know. Right now what me call it. Call it if you can't get a work. I know I mean well if you have nothing in your pocket when I'm bother you. I don't have to look back for the morning. I really want to come back for my foot.
Watch on bro. I want some many really string it all if I catch pan, but you know me have the account number already, you see me, so you can swing 12 grand in it, you know, if that can work out.
But my name put down none. None my name put down.
Bet where you have some,
But me want rather take the work right now more than 12 grand.
But watch me, I will give you that for doing, and I will give you work. You see me, because remember for your construction need, you know that already still. You see me, so you know
Remember say me can do tiling.
Right, so,
Remember say me can do whole thing.
so you can forward out for one idea work. You see me, I think tomorrow we have one little place to go flash and something, so you can forward on the work. But you know say, It's around of them place, you're gonna need a movement, you know.
You want me walk, my friend?
No man, them are sitting there and walk.
Them say me sell the car, you know. The last sell me sell the car, you know. I open the business, get the wicked baby mother, you know. We can't talk to her.
What's your number? Yes, I buy it. I just already in Panama.
Black by F.
Yeah. I wanna make work, and them there with that work with me. Yes, I did buy for. So he could have paid me back. You understand? But
So you not pay back?
no, he mess up. He kind of disrespect me in a certain way, so I just hold on panic. I have one other one, you know. It's more true. I have this and I not really ride the other one. So what you know? Just go and move around and do your thing, man. There's a make I have a need a bike in this area. So just go and do your thing further.
God no, my friend, you do too much. We can't upset this, my friend.
No man, that's a real friend for man. Oh yeah, so man. I say I did it for me back in the days, you know, my friend, before me reach as a contractor, you know. And you did it with me, you know, bro. I must have said, you did it give me a 1 and 2 tile work, you know. I never know nothing about tile, you know. And you know, bro. So what I mean, I go did it for you, Father. Would that be wicked, man?
Yo, bro.
That's all the key, brother, and about that, man. I mean, man, I have to love you, man, even though I'm a short love.
Oh, bro. Yeah, like one wicked, you know, my friend. And you see, if me not get problem in a relationship or me not chop short in a bedroom, who do feel that way, my friend?
So, if a new woman she find her, she say she just want done with it, or what?
My friend, you see, anytime she jump on my bike, at least I want 45 minutes or 1 hour and a half. Anytime you jump on my bike,
Yeah.
I ride him good on the highway, my friend. Patrol, skip,
On the toll.
my friend, dilly dally. Anytime she come off my bike, he said, thanks. Oh my God, that was wonderful. Anytime me done work, my friend, and me give man 20 or 30,000 for grocery, me still give my money in my pocket for himself. Now when me I got work, brother, me left on 2 grand and 15 bills to buy lunch and plus food in the house, in the fridge, and plus you have money.
I think, bro, I think they can never do as much to fulfill a woman's needs. You see what I mean?
Bro, woman are wicked. Woman are wicked, no care what you do for woman. You never do for them yet. But I'm gonna tell you something, bro. Me nah stop searching, you know, cause there's someone out there for me, you know.
Yeah,
and me nah go make sure that wicked woman what me be mother when you Delilah, you know. Me I go say every girl are wicked, you know.
And I say
Me I go find the right person, you know.
And the song that I sing when I come in, you know.
Bro, me here, you know, by the way, me just feel disgusted and disappointed in myself, bro. Right now, just my daughter keep me right now, you know, my friend. I just me
Believe it, bro.
Bro, you know the woman show me out and show my daughter, so my daughter for go and call me my daughter love. Bro, how can you send a 15-year-old daughter to come with him father?
But even
nothing wrong with that, bro. But why you keep a daughter, make me go on the phone and come give me daughter?
yeah, man, because even if she send you out, it daughter in this. They messing their mother and father business.
Me know why problem. Cause just like when me and him live and me I tell him say bro, me I go sell my car and put her one next room for my daughter. Cause me no like when me I squeeze it. Enough time me have to go in and go look at my daughter asleep. And squeeze it. You get what me I say? But show me out and when you have a look a young boy, him no want squeeze it. You see me?
Remember,
that's why in short my daughter.
And you said one tell me this, you know, when me never did have nothing in life, you know, me never did it with me. I remember say you said, so what you go through in life, I make you who you are, my friend. You said one tell me that.
God no, my friend. You
so remember that thing, me say it back to you, know, is anything you go through in life, I make you who you are. Right.
One thing we can tell her, you know, my friend. People sin for the sake of progress, and people sin to make up back for their mistake. But on one thing, me never sin for the sake of progress, and me not do nothing wrong for make up for my mistake. But you see you see him, oh,
Father God did the
pray when Father God put it on him, my friend. I think me I go say me sorry. The only reason why you see me ask so calm, I just show my daughter by an idea. Mother.
Yes, man.
When you see a little young boy, you see anytime that little young boy going in the jungle and tired, and then buck up on next to a young animal in the same jungle, I left him just like how she left me. I mean, better say I go ball back to me, but I got too late.
That she go do, you know. That she go do.
Father, see, I'm just glad feel put talk. I put talk motivate me feel better.
Me and bro,
me feel stronger, my father.
You did
thank you, my friend. In real life, man. Holy power respect, my friend.
Yeah, man. So you say you're normally different from that, though.
I see my account, me have, man. You see me say 30,000, you say I was send. You can't send the same account, my friend.
No, man, I ain't that, Mr. Man. At 12, me say, maybe I choose stress, man, your mind. Just a run all over my place.
Can be, my friend.
12, Mr. Man.
But whatever you have, my friend, go send.
Yeah, man, I go do that, man. I remember, tomorrow, I go short the nigga.
Yeah, as me say,
theme place.
as me say, me rather the work more and the money. I remember, you know, when you teach a man, you know, the trade, you know, him not have to beg again, you know. And we don't have the trade, so only thing we need right now are the work. Yeah, my father. So only for respect, brother. Here. Thanks again. Here. So our wifey, alright, I see him person.
Yeah, man, good. Me not really find no problem in night now. But, you know, still have one eye look out.
Why? One thing we can't tell you, we learn a lot, you know. 1 foot in,
1 foot out.
big up yourself.
Alright, yeah, man.
Yo, my father. Thanks, you know.
Yeah, me, man.
Yeah, man. I'll talk about respect here every time.
Alright.
Thank you again, Father God. Sister, you answer my prayer, you know. Maybe I mean I rush you too much. Thank you. So, Papa, you're there, man. I really know for my daughter. Couldn't mind fall and give me some blessing. Anyhow, I don't know, my friend put me down call check and call me and tell me say man you want to live or something, so just make him forward. Any more that reason about a lot of things.
Send gone now?
Yeah, him gone. Sorry. Well, I mean, we want to know the key job. You hear that?
Yeah. The puppy bag?
Well, I want to tell us not to buy it no more. I want to tell us saying give me it. I'm not sure from where you walk, I walk, you know. You have a shop, I go to town, I walk, so you must give me a bike and say, if you just go and ride it, you can know my tribulation, I go through. And one more thing I never tell you too. The same tribulation I go through, and puppy, I used to go through too. And me was there for him and me help him.
So I help back
So
now?
I help, right, I help my back now. If you say I was sending money in my account, but I don't know what time. Today, he must send me know what time. So, I can just go and check on the account and everything and see if it's understand. But anyhow, the most important thing,
Yeah.
you know, say my trade man. I'm a run contract on most of the hotel on the beach.
Yeah.
And me teaching me with tiling, mason and everything. So, me decide tell him say, I don't want to come to here with me to beg your money.
Right.
The only thing I do for me is get me a work. So him
You
say,
work your own money.
right, you're smart, you know. So him say now, tomorrow, maybe I'll today to him call me, we can go up on the work. So I couldn't mind him call me. But in the meanwhile, I come and get the bike, me plan to go up on the road. Ride go up on phase few, ride go up on phase 3, ride go up on phase 1, I say I see no work up there. But I can't ask people to do some work. If I even leave right, no matter to me. As long as I get work where I can provide for you eat, be
Yeah.
alright with that.
I'm parent.
I'm parent.
Do you pay the rent?
That's a good question. No? We can't hide nothing from you. We can't hide nothing from you.
I mean, what I tell you the rent?
The lady said me send off the rent. Me never send off no rent.
Are you not tell lie now?
No, well, that is not a lie. That is a good lie. Sometimes you have to tell lie if you said the right thing. So, me tell lie if you said the right thing. Father God, God forgive me.
Yes,
So, we can't send off the money I know.
Yeah.
You understand? Because I like tell the lady say, maybe give me one number I wrong, make the money now pull through. So I just not keep up look at time.
And then you not send no money.
I never send no money.
Me no, because you send the money, you not send no
You
money.
take off 8,000 of my rent. Because you tell them say the place a leak and chichi and them down the thing them in the kitchen.
If you sell it, you not see that. That you lie, you tell him
I don't
money.
want to lie.
So how me not see the place I live?
A bargain. Because when you do business, my child, you try to bargain down to get a better
Bargain,
price.
you lie.
No, that is not lie, that is hustling.
No, that you lie because I don't see the place I
No.
live. I don't see the place I
You
live.
know me explain lie to you. Lie what your mother used to tell me. That a lie.
Oh, so
Yes.
the lie you do I know.
Alright, the lady for the place, a fame place down. And me I pay the rent.
Right.
So that is me and her doing business. Right? Alright.
Right.
Right, so me I try bring down the business where we can get a better deal. Me know you're bright and intelligent, you know.
Yeah.
And your school smart. But me have street smart. So you not gonna really understand street smart till when you grow big and come in the street.
Yeah.
So you wanna know. Me know what me I do and me understand what me I do. But maybe one day when you have a family and I go through stress and tribulation, just like when me I go through, you go understand. But never mind. If you saw lie still,
But I lie.
yeah, if you saw lie, I lie. But as me say, a street smart.
Smart.
But anyway, me will make him get the money. So you don't have to worry about the rent and you'll make some girls to come in that place. So you don't have to worry about that. You call her mother, you call her mother?
No, she never call me.
Yeah man, you have to call her man. No.
But she can call me too.
Right, she can call you and she not call you.
So I not call her.
Yeah, me know how you play the role as two big people with her. Like you get
I
what I'm
must
saying?
call her.
Yeah. Alright, me know how you play the role as two big people. Just play the role as a your mother. Regardless, don't when you reach certain age and your dream come true and you drive a nice car and you drive a big house, you say boy, you shut her out. Make sure you shut out of your life, that means saying I'm no regrets in the future. I'm wrong, I'm right.
Right.
Call her man. Just if she no answer, just call her and say thanks. Or morning or send her a text, mommy, alright. Yeah, just call him here.
Yeah, I'll call her.
Alright, so me go in and say put on my shirt and me go touch the street here.
Alright, be careful.
You say you go cook?
Yeah, we don't go and go and come back.
Alright, soon come here.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm a tough and I'll leave here.
Yeah.
So soon as we go through a door there,
Yeah.
you got a second, just lock a door. Come and trust people here and buy an idea. Me not there, so just close the door till me come back.
Alright.
Alright.
No, I'm have to be careful, you know.
Yeah man. Close the door here.
Yeah.
Hello baby. Hi, taxi. Father. Yeah man, it's fire.
I got 5th Street.
Yes.
What you got there?
Yes, get out the road of yourself.
Yeah, 5th Street.
$500.
$500?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, do my youth. I cheap this good SMI. You know what price? Oh yeah, charge me 500.
I 3 bills.
Yeah man, I cheap this good SMI.
Alright, come on, my father. I don't really know a place. I knew upon this stand, you see me? Alright, hold it for respect here. Don't have to.
When you fly.
Boy, bike taxi sweet, man. God, got so much money to make from my father. Sorry about that, man. And I rob the person. I just couldn't really
Yeah man, me have to make you know how you go, man. Me know how you go.
So a routine go.
Yeah man, if you go to Whitehall, I want 2 bills. If you go to Good Up,
Whitehall, I want
3
2
bills.
bills. 3 bills to go
Yeah
good.
man, if you go to Western, I want 5 bills.
6 bills to go West End.
Yeah.
$600 to go West End.
Yeah man, 600 man.
Alright, my
If
father.
you go up on the beach, certain place too far, I want 1,000.
1,000.
Yeah man.
Alright, hold it for respect me, Dad. Here.
Yes, sir.
Alright,
Yeah,
hello,
father.
hello, my general. Yo, you ready, my killer? You ready? Oh, you get somebody already. Alright. You ready, my youth? You good? Alright, big up yourself. Good. Nice, my friend. Father.
Where are they? I run the road.
Yeah, man, I'll try and go with that.
Taxi! Yo, taxi! I go up here.
I found him, daddy.
How much go up here?
3 bills, my friend.
Yeah, 2. You take it 2?
Yeah, father. Let's say, ready? Oh yeah.
Yo, my dad.
Oh, God, man. May I come and soon can order one food, you hear? Cashier, may I follow, I pray.
Over here.
Oh, walk on here.
Yeah, ready.
Ready. I pray, Father.
How are you doing, son?
God, know my brother, man. You know, so I didn't there. You know, so I don't know some move coming now. You know, the London again. Because mama show me out, show me that, so everybody my friend.
The telephone on 10 Batman if you love that girl in Batman because the girl you cheat on your right show. This is your blind love in a father.
You know, so as a brother, you always tell me. And regardless of right, me too blind, my friend. But why you know, I need to blame myself, you know. I'm rise up about my friend. So I pray, brother.
But bro, right now, I feel that way. Right now, I want food, but there's a way for them.
You know, so I want food, no one order gets right there, because you know, so big thing there, some bike taxi there, because when I'm bridging the name Puck, and the dog just give me a bike, and I'm on my face, my friend. I'll carry me a bike, and sell the car for my business give girl.
You run bike taxi on a bike stand?
Right, I'll bike some of my friend.
Good idea, that you know,
My friend.
So, how do you make?
I don't make for a man. You know, if somebody give me this because he feels a fifth floor. You understand?
But,
yeah. So maybe he feels a fifth floor, but then I see me, I'll give me back still.
bro, last Mr. Chief, I buy one food still, you can buy one drinks.
Yeah, man, you can get a one drinks, man. Yeah, man, you can get a one drinks, man. I want to my friend, man.
Everything is different, though.
Oh, God, my brother, man. So, where are you?
I'm not there going on, man, and I don't chill now.
Yo, you know, so bro, no, this is your friend. Like, me and really have a good relationship as a brother to a better friend in real life. But I feel like I blame myself still, you see me?
You can't blame me, man.
I want to say, what you go through like, my friend just tell me. Puppy Dan just tell me, so what you go through like, I make you react, my friend, you see me? So you learn from a mistake, right? Now, I want to go back on my foot. Strength up and say I can take care of my daughter. You see me?
Right.
Yeah.
Direction. When you heal up, you definitely.
Yeah, I do it, man. Yeah, only for respect, my friend. Here. Yeah, man.
Big up yourself. You hear that?
Ah, tell my friend. Here. Yeah, man.
They are going to wait, man. Go and go out there food.
Alright. What, bro? You know, so I just like that food. Yeah, man. You know, so me know. Mama hold back the link. Yeah, man. In a real life.
Man, pretty good, bro, man. How are you, man?
Alright, my friend.
862
Yeah.
7005
5 and 9.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, now. I say time late.
Yeah, man.
But man, I'm going to take about 20 minutes seafood, man. I'm still on so long.
Alright.
Keep on this ticket here, man.
So, I want to check out here and okay, now I'm free.
Keep on this ticket here, man.
Come, Kayla.
Oh, Daddy.
Yeah, man. Tired and something.
But take long.
I feel.
Thanks.
Just buy some put in car. I run some bike taxi. I'm near really good if you run bike taxi, but we just know you're saving fund because I know tomorrow I will bring. As you say, me go up a phase 3, go look some work and end up. I run some bike taxi and stuff. I want to say, as I run bike taxi, I carry a couple of people, carry a couple of females, and I make a money. I don't even know the right price. One you rush me up and tell me, say, no, what 300? So after I come back here now, I talk to the youth and tell me, say, I'm sorry, I overcharge the youth. I just show me new up on the bike, taxi roll, and I need to pray the price so the youth start explain and tell me. When I do something and pick up a next youth now, a friend you come on the bike, I don't really trust a youth there, but I say, alright, I taxi me around. Then me hear the youth now explain and tell me. But I don't pray, so I want a signal him give me. So if you don't carry you now and go up the road, you pop off your knife for me, cut off for me. And see me if you go on in my yard. Because I'm a bad man. You know what I do? Come back down, buy up some goodies, bring good and come here. So I have a good day and plus I have a bad day. But I don't make that stress me out, you know. I don't make it stress me out. I'm just glad to say I have food can give and Puppy Dan give me a bike and I can go and run some taxi.
Daddy, I thank God say nothing never there because I alone me have. So I thank God say nothing at
To my
all.
child.
Not you. I said, Daddy, today me there I call mommy. And I call woman and woman of course me have a pay phone, say me interrupt her. Say me interrupt her. And I treat him to call her, let me call her. Oh my God, so nothing happened to you, Daddy. But Daddy, you go up on the road and you run by taxi, Daddy. Come and says, can make it know, say, I know 5 bills. If someone look on you and tell you, say, you must spend 5 bills, came right up a tanking, right? What you would I say? Eh?
Boy, my daughter, 5 bills and no money, you know. One time I could have used 500 to buy a food, one juice, and the money I could have buy a weed, one whistle, I could change.
Yeah,
so
Daddy.
maybe couldn't use a common sense like that. Right now I couldn't mean every trip I run a 500 I make.
500?
Yeah, I couldn't mind every trip I run a 500. I could have buy up some more clothes here. And I know say back to school I come, I could have buy up some panty, marina, your uniform. You know, say I not worry. Nah worry. God will provide. As much as me a sinner, just like how people me baptize and save. I see him so me as a sinner. Me believe in a Father God as much as them. So me now worry my child. Father God will provide. And one more thing. If you look at that mama, excuse me, mama. See mama now again, you know. So me want to tell you a thing just so. You understand? Or yourself, man, you don't reach a big girl 18, you can't do what you want. If you don't want to call him, you don't have to call him. You see me? But I so line up some money for you, because I go up on the road tomorrow, you can't buy for school things. I'm here.
Yeah, be careful next time you go up on the road. You know who you have to pick up.
Yeah, man. Thanks, my daughter, man.
You look like say you're tired.
Tired child, man. I have too much stress on me.
Go and go bed. Go look about something for your eat.
Welcome. Like you smell me, my child.
No, that didn't smell that didn't take a party when you're there.
Touch you.
Yeah.
You can't look at touching the show. Yeah, I can't.
Big man, please. Now you would have to go and look at place of God, me if I get a bus, to go get a green card. Gone. Hello. Hello. Me I go on the road. I will look at work today.
What?
I'm going on the road to go look at work.
Oh, what time?
Because I can't live so. Every day, I have to eat antomount. I get the money from auntie. I can't bother with this living now.
But what time you go work? Go early, be?
No, I need to go there early. It's an early bird get the something more than early. I remember, but I have to go there early.
Tell me, can't be
We have to there all the early break and early. So any business place up in our need work and me first day.
Let me tell us that things are slow, things are one at a time. We'll get through this, in August days.
No, me can't get to me now. Me need a breakthrough. And you just get up every day. You just a nyam. Yeah, put on weight, look at me. Look at me. So when you cook 10 dumplings and me get 2, you never rest. Sometimes I sleep and go back in there. Change your mouth everything.
So you expect me to have more money?
See you cook a gravy left in the pot. I'm hungry if get food for God. And the breakfast there. So I have to go now and beg my auntie.
So what you expect from me? Me not to eat? That's what I try to say?
I never see enough to eat, but you eat too much.
Me not.
Stop eat too much. Me not have money to sustain you.
So you can't deal with me, so what you want me to slim? You want me slim? You want me to
When
stop
you come
eat?
here, you never so big, you know.
You want me to stop eat? Can me do anything for you, know? I want me to stop eat?
You can't still not do that.
Yeah, me stop eat if I want me stop eat.
Because what day you cook macaroni and cheese and you say, me not take that place. When me asleep, you think me say, you're gone it, see?
But me did hungry. What you did want from me did hungry. Me did
When
hungry.
you tell me you're not, you still not.
Alright, me won't eat anymore. Stop arguing
it, me know you're loyal to me and everything, so you
I will
can't
make
go
for
and
you want this big old bowl and you can't take it. You have to look at her. You can't take it. We need money to
but it's too early for you to go. We can't leave them now. It's too early for you to go for the road. You not even reach, me not think you reach 6:30.
At 5:30 now when me go.
I go to early if you go look work.
Going out there to work. Any work we get today.
Alright, go on.
Get money.
It's good, it's good, it's
Come
good.
cook dinner.
It's good. It's good. Go on.
You understand me? I said, like me out, me at this or anything.
Yeah, me know you're not this. You're never this. Me I queen.
But if you just tone down on the food, you get me?
More.
I soon come back, yeah?
So early, go at 7 o'clock.
Me I go out there now. Early bird get the most worm.
Alright, no matter, cause I know you're like that. Come.
Alright.
Listen. Buy me one chocolate for that. Come.
Me said tone down if damn chocolate I will get bigger. Jesus Christ.
You keep on your palm on me.
Good day. It said really.
I'm not sure we're realizing that.
I joke with me, I show, you see over, and this way I walk and I say, yes, I know food, you know.
Thank
Come over
you.
there, come bless you, okay?
Blessings, thank you.
You call me Toga.
Hug, I'm Shaz.
Nice to meet you, Shaz.
Nice to
Shaz
meet
or Shan?
Shaz.
Okay. Nice to meet you. You travel.
Yeah, man, I travel. I'm an international woman.
You're a black American?
Well, I was born in England, but I live in New York now.
Right.
Yeah, I live in my business in New York.
As a businessman, you know, I look on property, I walk, from here, so you know, I don't really like walking, but I like walk and see some place to buy from open a supermarket from the beach, yeah.
Well, you own businesses?
Yeah.
I never see it.
Food restaurant and so, you know.
Okay. How long have you been doing that?
3 years now since we left school, inherit some money from my grandparents, and so we just turn it over, you know.
And invested. Nice.
So you get in a business?
Me, I have a crochet business. Well, I have a brand. I have crocheting. I have a shop.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm Shaz of Shaz my name. Yeah, man.
I'm going good.
Yeah, I have my brand as well. So this is a relaxed time. I have a
Oh yeah,
people
you're on
working.
vacation.
Yeah, all work and no play.
You're married?
Well, I keep this on just to keep some people who I'm not
okay.
interested. I'm not really. It's just you know.
Yeah, man, so me I search for somebody to grow with the night time, you know. The Jamaican girl I love. They will get some money and then they live for a period of time. So
Yeah.
yeah, depend on your style. More somebody has to grow, you know. Yeah, so me I say,
Yeah, that you can invest in.
yeah, spend
Put all
some
your
money
efforts in.
and then spend back some money for me and then we just put it to something and grow together.
Yeah,
And
man, that sounds good. That sounds good. It's hard to find those. It's really hard to find. That's why when you find somebody who's, you know,
woman or 20 people are real.
definitely.
Pure. You get me? I'm going to property still and stuff. And then I said, oh, let me check the number in
Yes, definitely. Definitely. So where are you looking at all these properties then?
Yeah, walk from the beach, man. Them say so girl property up on the beach. I sell 23 million. Wow. You don't really want to spend nothing big. You want 25 bucks.
25
Below
million.
25 million.
Million?
No, minimum.
Yeah, man.
You say name again?
Shaz.
Shaz, nice Shaz.
Yes. Make sure you keep in touch. I know of a few places up West End where you can learn together.
You can go together, man.
Yeah,
Link up on anything. No walk and look and see what's going on.
Alright, link me when you're ready to look. I'll come with you because I know a few places. Blessings. Alright, bless.
This is a green card opportunity. Yeah, make this a miss up. The 3 more months and we get away. Look on outside. What's going on?
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, man.
You good? Yeah, man, giving
This is going
thanks.
easy, you know?
Giving thanks.
Call her earlier on, we don't panic. Go there, look for one property, but tell me something about 30. I said, yeah, manager, I say yesterday at 25. I'm really sure about that one, you know? So, things you're enjoying yourself.
Yeah, man.
But you're robbing your
Oh, God, no. No, I'm not bad man. No one not taking this. Yeah, but you see, I did tell you, if you link me for come with you, you wouldn't know how to talk to me.
Oh, the show me get up and me just shoot out, so.
And so you
the
deal
man
with
me just
things.
move, you know. Just watch my face and just get up and just roll up on the road right away. You understand? For a business place, them make sure everything up and running, you know. Like cut off for one of them last night, but we never really cut off by JPS. Like some electrical problem, wiring and
Yeah.
so forth. But we start out a new step, you know. I'm worried, look at it.
Don't worry, be happy.
It's a nice day.
It is a
It's a breeze out.
Yeah, man. Beautiful day. Everybody can sunbathe. We are sunbathe too. So some yeah, ease off and hold the vibes on your weight.
Natural vibes.
Yeah, man. Live life to the max.
I think that we can go on.
Oh, you feel left, yo.
Come here. Can I come there?
Okay.
Yeah, brother, yeah. Oh, look at the money we have.
Come on. Come on. What hour?
You feel like the woman here, over here with the woman.
You may say a business man. The green card. Me a look for.
Green card?
Yes.
Yeah, me look all I want that green card here.
Man, this I go help me and help you and help mommy and help everybody to me get through with this opportunity here.
Make sure
You just have to hold your mouth. I've got this and this, but no worry about this. You know me, I'm a woman and she love me and me love her, but you know,
you tell her about it?
you know where you go.
How you look for over there, sir?
I'm a friend named man, so yeah, me love her.
Woman bumper, no your friend that.
You me I say,
Yes,
love me woman
chat.
and she love me, but I'm not doing that.
Make sure say you remember your woman, but you want green card. You sure say you green card? Yeah.
But no worry about it. No worry about it. Go on,
Say,
yeah? Go on now.
You forgot
Take care. Where you do on the beach? Where you do person?
what you are the fire.
Me I take care of some business.
Me I take care of some business. That better business.
Go on.
Come
Go on,
here,
juice.
Yeah.
Me soon buy a juice.
It's a, you never look more green card than I have with dollar in your package. No call she me man, I'm making say not dismiss the woman because I'm a friend. Don't disarm.
Nah, I love her.
So you love my woman and give her a bun. You don't really need one green card. Love it everything. Love it everything you want.
I relax. Walk go there.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah.
God.
Was he a woman?
No, sir, my sister, man.
Okay.
Big sister, the small sister, man. Small.
Okay.
She just go and check this out, man. Obviously, she have to my vehicle.
So she just run with something.
No, man, we tell her to go and get quick like people. Son attention, you know?
So I can come with you and the little movements with you and your sister.
Oh,
You have free time, you know.
No, yeah, no, because you see, the business place is kind of hectic and also, so inspector people come here, give them a club license, to come inspect the place, so we can start doing certain things. So, they make my sister go help out on the things and I go and bag up running up and down. You see it?
Yeah.
Can't go and walk and talk to the...
Yeah, man, definitely. So this not club, it's a nightclub.
Yeah, day and night thing.
Okay. I get VIP pass.
Yeah, man, you never come to my thing.
Sister now.
Come on. No, I can't look for you. How are you, man?
Oh, in their work.
Which work?
My man their work, girl. How are that supposed to make? Don't you laugh, bro?
You sure you're working on?
I'm sure I'm working there.
What kind of work?
You know, say I deal with some business. What kind of business you could have deal with? He said yesterday and get you up.
Yesterday?
Yes. So I'm not sure what kind of work, but I know my guy work. I'm sure of that, girl. I want
Nothing at all don't happen. I just can't look to see if I really working yet.
Then I could have what else in get.
No, you're a man. You must know.
I like that. That sound like you know something.
I don't know nothing at all. I don't know nothing whatsoever.
Oh, very true. But anyways, in their work, I said him may wait for to come in. I don't make it take so long.
Work. I just hope everything alright with you and you're well and everything. You're well.
So girl, are they here?
Yes.
Let me pull out you look finally.
Yes.
And they look thirsty in the past few days them. I tell you. They just look dry and thirsty.
You don't watch my head, you watch your man.
But me watch my man, for my man they are working comfortable
Make sure.
It come like you come with some sort of problem.
No, my brother singing now.
You can't tell me nothing about my man. My man don't look bad.
You sure about that?
I'm sure of that.
100% sure.
100%.
Put your head on the block.
Head on the stone, they could have chop off my neck and see me believing that him. He not do nothing.
You think I'm brother than he idiot? What are you?
What me I that with?
Can you say you put your head on black for man? Never yet do that. Don't do that.
Girl, me love me man, so take me know if you're fucking not this me. You know no reason for this. So what you talk about? Where you come here for with this type of thing? Your own brother, you try to turn the woman mind against him?
No. We don't do that.
Then what you do then?
Me I try to wise up you.
Wise me up against your own brother. You try to mash up your relationship. I try to mash up your relationship.
Mash up relationship. Just look out your you.
No, me no need to look.
Look out your yard.
My man perfectly fine, he okay, and he not give me no problem.
Remember say you can't reach out good enough. So you feel mind anything when you do. No making fool you.
I want you try to say me dunce. Me a no idiot girl, me know if you fuck my man love me. He
Spell rat. Spell it. You don't know nothing.
You not feel me know he.
Spell it then.
Me know he. Spell it. Just leave me out. Let me out.
No, never left me out.
I know why you come here with your one baga.
I don't know what my brother
you come and tell me about my man. Me know my man alright with party there. I know he love me and he care for me. Me a no idiot. And you are saying you can't find a good man. Leave from here, so man. You want to tell me again.
I have my man. My man is up on a vacation. I'm just cannot find him at the moment. You know,
that's why I need to go find your man. Go find a man and I worry about my man. My man will not give me no farm about. You're crazy. Man, alright. Man, I'm good. You understand?
Baby!
Sure.
Baby!
Yes, babe.
Yes. Even.
Oh, me get a tree back door.
No, I told me walk around and back up all the leak.
Where you come from?
Meaning,
Where you come from?
work today on the beach. So me run out of 5 minutes to pass this morning. You know, remember me come late and I don't want to lose work. So me run out and jump up, let me see, so me just run out.
So make your sister make it seem like your sister.
What she say?
He come here today, I look for you and I ask and I tell me say if me sure say you're gonna work. I mean know if you're fucking not this
Probably I
so
she want from me.
no,
She beg.
no, she did I say you're sure saying gonna work. I will make she did I do that. Cause me know if you're like you not this me and I know you're not style.
She don't like when me happy. And me tell mommy when she grew up she just jealous.
And that me realize so you have to cut her off you cause me can't take them something and me don't want nobody bad mind me for my relationship. Me tired of bad mind people, brother.
I tell her so when me there, don't come up here.
Exactly.
Don't come up, don't step foot in the
like
yard.
Like say me no know say me man loyal to me.
You know that already.
Like completely. Me not no question about that.
Me I go make it point of my duty to man. Tell her don't come back over me yard.
Right. Me don't want to.
When you're alone there, don't come none talk.
None talk.
Because she want to come back and turn her mind.
You can't turn me mind against you because listen, let me tell you this. You're the most loyal man never come across.
The most loyal.
You come home on time. You show me text where you text with people and me read them.
And everything.
And everything. Me read them where you say you rate the person. You say you rate the person as a bestie and a best friend and it's something. I mean, understand the situation there. Yeah, because I know you're loyal to me. You don't have one girl in your phone by the name of what? I can't remember her name right now, but I know say that girl there and you know nothing.
No, friend.
Of course. I'm an idiot. I can't read.
How you cook?
Babe, I cook. I don't remember.
Remember you cook? Get cook bully beef for my time I get it sick.
I don't cook, I remember. I know say I cook something nice for you.
I get it.
I know say I cook something nice for you.
No, this I'm going to share the food.
Then on my phone for?
I just say I'm going to call one.
To who?
Somebody important. You're my boss. Check on the boss. One. Check on the boss. And the boss not.
So, how work got today? You did go alright and everything?
Good, you go good, man. I soon tell you about one.
Alright, man. Go share the food.
Yeah, good night. Yeah, I just reached you, you know. Yeah, it was a good day, yeah. Enjoy yourself. Okay. Well, I'm going to try and make it better. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I'll call you back, alright? In the morning. Alright.
How would that be?
Eh?
How would that?
I'm the boss. Can't tell me say me do good today.
Eh?
Boss, I tell me say me do good today.
Oh.
And I tell me say me should get up more early and so I'll come and work.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
You understand me, don't?
You don't never do that, babe. So come on, man, stop going.
No, because our body alone you want, don't it?
The body there alone and for me.
Right.
I feel that.
No.
Yeah.
It's alone, don't it?
Alone.
No, I'll get the food.
Get it. You want me to give me no girlfriend? That's a mistake.
Hey.
So,
It's around here. How are you?
yeah, me just rush out now to put on anything. Just rush to me have a house on the beach, yeah. Just rush out.
I love that. I love that. Listen, I've got a proposal for you. I was looking for somebody, you know, who is perfect for this, and love how you talk. I love your ambition. Look how you're
Yeah, man,
serious
I
about
got
business.
everything going on, you know.
Yeah, man. Listen, my friend linked me from New York, and we got a big investment deal going on. All right, and the reason why I'm telling you this, you might be wondering, the reason why I'm telling you this is because the check for you, you know.
Yeah, man, you know, see, I check for me, so you call me and ask me good and, you know, you see, like what's going on. Connection.
In real life, you know, when two things say, me and you should tie the knot. Because as much as I love Jamaica, it's New York the thing there.
Yeah, man.
I would have loved to retire the knots, send for you, I go back over and deal with this thing, send for you, and you get you your green card and everything.
Yeah, man,
By the
simple
time,
months that all this
I
match
see
it
what
up
I
and
so I love the way you talk, you know, I just love your energy.
green card. Yeah, man.
You have to have them the kind of paperwork, you know, that you deal with government
Sometimes
system.
still, you know, we don't really have a foreign mind still, you know, but like what you say, we just have to work with that, you know, get the green card and see what transpires from that.
Excellent,
Yeah, man,
excellent. I love that, I love that. You know what?
Yeah, man.
Certain things have to do and certain things have to tie up. And the business that I'm doing and the business I'm starting, the investors want everybody to put in a piece of footage, you know, show the seriousness and get this done. But this is fast money, you know. This is
simple.
fast
You
money.
can just put in the money on and everything go through.
Yeah, man, yeah?
Yeah, man, you can deal with it.
All right, well, it's 20 million of I need, you know.
We?
Well, me put in my piece, but we went to bigger investment. You see, if we put it in like how we married, I will put in as a one investment, as one, like how say like how you throw partner. You know, throw two hand better than one. So me put in my money already, but I want the best for you. Cause I see the potential you have in a tugger. I see the potential, I want you to grow. Once you make the money, you know, if you're not foreign minded, you can go anywhere.
Man, I see no maths of it. I'm say I like bank transfer like that.
No, bank transfer. No problem. Can send you the details. But if you you know what, I should have better. I should have better. Less traceability. And this thing like good. So then they give you the option to do whatever.
Yeah, man, I get you on the area. Everything alright though.
Yeah, man, everything good, everything blessed.
I have a match man. 20, I pay the money that's 20 million. What happened?
That push me
I come here and talk to her. You want something to eat? Stop me soon, carry something to eat. Me soon get
Come here, come in hungry. We don't hungry. When did they talk about 20 million? Yeah, money. Where you get the money there from?
It's a thing we are talking about invest. And she got invest, I think.
So I got invest in you?
Yeah, me I go get it. Me tell them I get it.
We all get 20 million from.
And oh you hear that? Oh
you don't worry about that. We all get it from.
I know me she
go here the woman say you run out. Let's move. Which work can I do? Which work can I do? All work can I do? Tell me where get the money from.
Me I go borrow me and take out investment.
And you're not investment loan, you're not own a company, you're not own a business, you're not working job, so then now you no money, so when you get the money.
I go take out the loan, I go let me girlfriend sign some paper and do.
Yeah, tell her what she sign the paper for.
She good man, she just sign the paper and me carry go give me one of my dog. I'm not checking yet, but you know say.
Make sure she read the paper, tell her the comment,
You know,
she can read.
it's like you don't want me girlfriend.
Where you get money from? Me don't want to say me want your girlfriend.
You don't want me girlfriend. You don't want me get green card.
Me never say that. What is
Every
that
time me
idiot?
I get, where are the children and something?
What you know? Your woman say you run gonna work. So
No
you
work, me
good.
then me start
This is not no work. I know say up see you come because you're not looking for your food. No, don't shame me. Where you get money from?
we come on, give me
You get 20 million from. You not no job.
You know, so me not care how go me I go.
Me not business.
Anytime we get me green card, you don't ask me for nothing.
Look
Yeah,
where
me
you
I
want
tell
go.
her, don't ask me for nothing, no
Listen to me.
shirt, no nothing, no blouse, nothing. Anytime me I come down,
Me
because me I pack a barrel anytime me I come down.
You see look water is up? Me like the water what there. Me like the sun. Me like everything what there Jamaica. You know, broke my neck, God nowhere back can do. When you look where they go down, with part fear for $30.
Me I go make life, me I go land of freedom, me
Land of
free,
freedom.
me I go make pay money. You don't understand like
You are
that.
free like a bird and fly like a bird.
Your mind young,
Your mind
you don't
young.
understand.
Come on, young. I am the nigga what I'm saying I no sense. Don't get too much money from. Make sure say I know who me think you go borrow money from money from me know. I will dead. They will die.
Go on, I
You
love
take
come
up work?
out and be.
Say mama go on, and that woman there have you should say woman there have money. But she say she have money. But she was sure you want money yet.
You have much business and brand and so. Go on and sit and tap. If you
Yes,
just
you
want
know,
to
yes,
hold,
you
if
know.
you like me like from you want
Me
to
no
hold me down
business, me
here,
nah
I
hold you down.
hold me down in a go
Me don't
on.
hold you back from danger. Come on.
Now come alright? Yeah.
Look how you look for now, right? You look for now, you tell her you own much business.
She
And you
just said she wants something to eat. I'm going to
Stop to say me hungry, because I'm not hungry. Look how you tell her say you own much business. And you don't own a business. People that she tell you say she own property.
I say
And you
you
don't own a
listen man,
property.
listen.
Look at me just know. You don't see that? Eh?
What?
Me don't want you know. When you top in a shit pit, no call me name, come in and help you. Oh.
Go on.
Me just go and tell you never want you.
We soon come here, we just eat. Let's go and cook till me come. I just yeah, get to eat.
Okay.
Just yeah,
Pretty mad.
10,000 to go eat some.
So is that why she was mad at you?
Yeah, man, I go back down still and come. 2 days time or something, I can get money.
2 days?
Yeah, man.
The full 20?
Yeah.
Alright.
Full 20 million and everything. Not cash.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And then I can let you start this.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Let's get the ball rolling.
So, nice doing business. Yeah, man, we get in there. Eh?
Yeah, man, we're getting there.
Then we reach over so we just kickstart things. And
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Get the money and everything will start.
Yeah, man, alright.
Alright.
Yeah,
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
call
Do
me
your thing.
anything, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Do your thing.
But the woman money from winning the man. The top of your hand, no, you can't feel it. Now top of your hand again. Yeah, do it back there. What? And now you come here while I come. You're easy now, you think you're easy. What that about it?
Yeah, man, you go come squeeze out the dog, and I out them.
You're going to piece of water now and make you chop out some fish. Right now, go for it now.
Oh, can't beat.
Eh?
Can't beat.
Yes. You know what I'm saying? What?
Can't beat.
Well, you're a street boy, you don't want to chop no yard. You don't want to chop no yard.
I think me had this one. Me a hunt the work.
You're not a source.
No, but I mean, that really link up on it.
What one?
Yeah, me a look at
Alone?
really.
Like how much up? Come on, like so many youths are, eh?
I know for man, I want 20 million. That's what me a invest in a
20 million.
yeah, really big thing.
I don't have so much. I never make them money there from the man there. Can't help them. But I know somebody who can't help. Hold on, I know one man who can't help them. He's running a loan place, I'm a salary. But that man, you know, you have to sign over your life. and sign about somebody else, like.
No, but you see this?
Yeah.
I do.
Yeah.
It a go work. So, and then it no matter about life or death or no. Because I not losing life.
So you're willing to sign about your life and
I
make
go
money?
dead to what I do, I go work, so it no matter.
Oh, okay. Alright, shall I give you a number? You want the number? Listen to me. When I'm birthday, you know. When I'm birthday, they do it and him there again.
I'm not serious, man. Anytime I borrow something from somebody, me make sure selling.
Alright, see the number there.
How you go?
876
Yeah, me have that.
585
585
1433.
1433.
But I tell you something, give a number there. Don't tell me to get the number. But I tell you something.
Yo, it's a big thing, anything in case you go put, you can get a spin to.
Alright.
Forward.
Come on, new machine. New machine. They
And I
get
give you stick one.
I'm a worker. They
If
don't
you
know.
forward to me buy a land, couple land.
No, I don't want a lawnmower. I'm a worker. Well, lawnmower day is done. And cutlass days are kind of fade out like you said.
So this one different, everything good.
Yeah, I'm going to put work now.
Yes, we can't come with this.
Yeah, forward.
Yeah,
Come now. Now I'm cutlass on someone. When people are ready, man, do it for our work.
Well,
I will asleep.
yeah, man, just falling the vibes and enjoy. How you do?
Yeah, man, just go and easy, you know?
You get through?
What them took me and fly around?
At evening time and the sun sunset.
Oh,
You get through?
nearly not get through, but me get through.
You get through.
Yeah, I get through. This close, but me get through, you know? And suppose if I'm not tonight, what do I say? If I'm not tonight, tomorrow me I carry.
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow good?
Yeah, man, if it's tomorrow morning, soon o'clock. Because as soon as you do it now, we can get the ball rolling and put in the investment and start it.
Last night me dream about foreign, me I said, Jesus,
Oh,
me a
God.
dream. Me don't know what they're looking at, but you know, I watch movie and then I dream. I said, foreign, here I come.
Dreams
Finally.
come true.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, when you get your green
I'm going to
card.
miss the business place they want to sell about, you know?
Yeah,
Have to
man, but you
make
can always go and
investment
come. America with the money there, you know. Jamaican dollars,
there.
Jamaican dollars and monopoly money. So get your green card, come over, get your green card and do this investment and thing. And you're going to see how things are running. You can go back with them for me not to leave
like
your yard.
Like
Yeah, man. I like it too.
it. Like,
I love it.
so, how long you process did that take?
Right, all right now. So you're gonna give me the money tonight.
No, tonight or tomorrow.
Yeah, man. So we think positive. You're gonna give me the money tonight. All right. So once we get that now, we'll go and we give it to my friend and deposit it, and then buy some Bitcoin. When they buy Bitcoin now and invest the Bitcoin, and that I got turn and give we double, triple. In no time. I'm in the middle of a bull run now.
Green card, man.
Oh, the green card things here talk the investor. Green card, you see what
No, man, we don't worry about money. Green card,
I
man.
like how you're talking. Don't
Don't
worry
worry
about
about
money,
money.
the right thing.
Yeah.
The green card thing now, all we have to do is we get my license and marry. Me and you get married now.
Yeah.
And thing, and we start the process. Me will go over ahead and
Then
file
I'll
for you.
come back. I'll come after you.
You have to stay here and do your medical and the hosted and comforting. So me again, man, it's a long process, but the sooner we start it, the sooner the better. So when
Yeah,
you
man,
give me
is
the
it
money
tomorrow?
later tonight,
Yeah, you know I'm pass. I'll get the money.
yeah, man,
Where's the cash on?
yeah, man,
Cash with a better.
yeah, cash with a better.
Right,
Because
so
we can.
when we done start to come and we sign up some more paper. Yes, so I make one of my sister also sign a couple paper card, you know? Yeah, I don't know by the word them use. I remember about something where you have them have to hold on for something for you can.
Oh, like guarantee.
Yeah.
Guarantor. Okay.
Because
So,
I have a 10 million, I have to get the next 10 million from the bank. You know, like, I don't have the money, you know, but you know, like.
so when you go get the other 10 million from the bank?
Yeah, tonight and tomorrow. Yeah, man.
Alright. You know, so you should round up everything, you know, because this is a surge. You can't lose with this, you know.
Yeah, man.
So I tell you, so round up everything, and then you can buy one house you did go buy for 25. You can buy 2, 3 for 30, 40.
When the money.
Yeah, man. Sell your house, sell your car, sell everything except me.
Yeah.
Sell everything, man, and give me the money. We invest it.
No, so, like, I really like sell.
Mm.
Yeah, I really like sell, but I get the money.
Yeah, man, we start off with the 20.
Call it, yeah?
Alright, yeah, man, yeah, man. Call me tonight when you get it, yeah?
Yeah, me I go move now, yeah?
Alright. Walk good.
Yeah, man.
And walk careful with the money, you know.
Yeah.
Make sure you bring it.
Yeah, man, so what about it? Everything done? Good. You know, you know, top of the road, we got to try my son crying. Hold on there, just hold on the car. What I said? Come on, sir. You know what I said.
Papa,
Yeah.
you know me not really come to man like a own, you know, because I don't want inbound from bang around. But only one reason I come to you is about my boyfriend. I find borrow the money from you and he couldn't have to pay back. I not see him back, so I know when they would I want him.
You're a boyfriend.
Yeah.
So, what that's got to do with me?
Me know what happened to people who own me, you know. You think me an idiot? Is it me a fool?
So your boyfriend borrow the money in a plane, he took, you know, come back here.
You don't take no plane. You don't have no money to take plane. If you don't have no money to pay you back, when you take plane, me an idiot? You want me, man?
No, listen. You know, run a man truck like this. So you know the best thing, you just go on where you go, yeah? Because listen, me not night with you. Your man come and borrow money, yes? I don't see my money back. And I don't see him.
You're more than seen. You see matter like you see. You do your have to do something to me, you don't idiot.
So me have to do something to see him?
Yeah? You're an idiot.
Listen, you have disturbed my car right now, you can't talk about me. What me I do? What me I do?
You don't know what you do. If me I did him far away, I would do there just right now.
Keep it that way.
Man.
Listen to me. Check her later. I do for an important call, right?
When I check you later, find if you tell me because I know so you can find me, you know how to find people, I know idiot.
You do that chat up your mouth. You know who you are dealing with?
I'm not idiot.
Try move. Before me not do what I want. Move.
Make sure I come back and find money. Make sure.
Ray, you sure murder that good? Yeah, can man just come out to me? Yeah, man. Alright, thanks. Everything good.
Hey! Good?
Yeah, man. Look out, you know?
Yeah, absolutely.
Really look out, man.
Like this?
You see everything?
Like this?
Everything in the bag.
Okay.
Whole 20 million. You see?
Yeah, man, it's heavy for true.
Everything in there, the whole stock, everything. So, well, go.
You do the right thing, man. You do the right thing, right? So if I have this now, we can put it in the account and send it off. They'll get that. Today is what? Thursday. They'll get that. We do that before 4 o'clock. They'll get that today, and they can start the ball rolling from tomorrow.
Yeah, man. So you like need my passport and anything?
Yeah, man. But what I'll do, I'm gonna start the ball rolling, and then I'm gonna get the form for you to get the green card. For me, have to get it for you because I know when I'm flying.
Yeah,
so here what, like how time they come me, and I want to get it off action today. If I'm gonna leave soon, it'll go wait till tomorrow and then weekend and take long.
Oh yeah, you want me to come with you?
You're right. Because it's boring. I'm gonna phone him. and then kind of funny with strangers. So
Oh, okay.
let me make the link, do what I have to do, and then later tonight, we phone you.
So you know, come back here, sir.
Yeah, man, I gotta come back later, but me phone you. You see once.
So what man, you put the weight on you?
Yeah, man.
Alright,
Once we do it something, we'll link you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah? Alright.
Yeah, wait on you.
Yeah, man.
Watch the road.
Yeah, man. Watch the road.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Take care. The sun come.
Yeah, man, watch the road.
Yeah, man.
Foreign, see? Yeah, there, but dog.
I'm there with what things?
Yeah, I'm up on the church from morning 10.
Seeing. Brother, I say thanks for reaching and think
Yeah,
cause
sure, I know I'm a real GC. I show up from morning, so I'm there for so much proud now, I just make sure we take off.
I understand, no worries, respect man. Here I go, you see. So me someone just like computer programming and so forth.
Yeah.
I get one to go work now, I have to go for a week and it's like only person I can think of who can help me out in this situation I'm in stutter. Is you, cause my woman now is like she kinda want to help to do certain things like to get
move around and stuff.
Yeah, buy food and maybe she want grocery.
We can't help her out, man. Can't help her out.
Yeah man.
Cause you know some of that man me not too work, you understand?
Yeah, no. That I think so I help you out. If you can get a little extra food, cause he's a good youth. He's a genuine.
No, no charge still.
No man, this is no more charge, brother. I accept it as a gift from me. So me accept to do a favor to others as you others do. Exactly. So what I'm gonna do is make she call you, and then when she call you now, she can actually organize, when and when.
How long you plan?
1 week, brother.
1 week.
1 week.
But I trust me with the woman still, you understand?
Yeah, brother, come on.
Say me not do no funny move,
no man.
You understand? Come like that. I just a woman for know herself.
Nah man, yo.
I watch her still for
Brother, respect. Me know man.
Know herself.
Nah man, my woman good. My woman in a certain thing. She not to watch TV certain time. She know nice social media kind of vibes. So a different kind of species.
They run tests for anything there.
Nah man, I got me work with man. Jam me work with so. Just show me and make me feel contented.
All woman me here is loyal still.
Yeah, no man, listen. It's a woman only no liar when you do them something. You have to give them a reason for. So you spend time on them, you give them all them need, like money, attention, rub them foot when they come in, when they call you, answer them phone call. Yeah, they not cheat on you like that. So my woman knows, she no craving. Cause greed sometimes make woman cheat, Not that. She contented.
You just have to listen to you, because you all me have more experience.
Yeah man, I tell you. So your girlfriend?
He's a man to go road. Not yet still, but one day we find one.
Right, man, true. Well, that church, you go find a nice church girl. Alright, girl,
that's my mother as I say. But the church girl is bad and sneaking.
Rough.
I don't see nobody at church. I'm not that one there.
You have to find the right one.
Yeah.
You remember say Bob Marley sing a song there, one love, one heart. The reason why I sing
what different is still? Much plan for
yeah man, alright. It's like
me really charge you, you don't just buy me a drink.
Me know, but is it
do you want to know a figure, so
I get like a 40,000 brother for a week. You know what I mean? $40,000. That's alright.
That good, man.
Yeah, man. So she but from woman love for yam, she love to eat. So she go, busy and call and something. So maybe all one night we can even just jam there and thing,
No, sir. Me not jam there.
Alright.
Me go up so.
Yeah, man. So you are going?
Sleep, man.
Me will shout you.
Unless a day as me.
Exactly, respect, man. Alright. That's how I trust you, know?
Yeah.
Trust you, bro.
I'm a G, man. Me not go past no limit, you understand?
So tomorrow then?
Tomorrow.
Me shout you. I give you your number now so you can call and talk to you, and then after that we'll move from there, so. See?
So when you have 9 night or morning?
I left for 9 night, man.
9 night?
9 night. I'll make you call and shout you. How yourself, man?
Just call me same time now as I shoot out some just get everything in place. You understand?
Alright.
Bless up.
Yeah, man, everything level, man. As I said, it's work I think about and how me organize.
Yeah, deal, man. Because I feel type of work that
respect.
A long time, God always.
Trust you, Trust you.
Yeah, man.
Respect, yes, sir.
Alright.
And thanks for coming so late. Sorry for so late night, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Sure, I'm saying. It's even though I'm so willing and giving and thing, I don't trust people officially 100%. So I know when you go like you give in, don't call them certain time. When I want to me that I first thing.
Okay.
You understand? So if you call him, they can deliver everything outside. You understand?
Okay. So that not sound bad.
Yeah, man. I don't trust everybody like that.
So basically, max that question so that he might have the number, right? Because if I'm going to deliver him, I have the number. So when you reach him, call me and tell him to say.
But babe, stop going to... So me make him call you.
Oh, him?
Him say, man. Yeah. So I don't know where... Come on, babe. Make me start get word a little bit. When you on the way now to come. You on the way if you come. Don't go downstairs. So I'm not in far when I reach. Yeah. So, I'll make it on your way. But babe, give me 1 second. Let me call, man.
Alright, just leave it down there.
I could call and come. Yeah, brother. Yes, I give you one quick call before now. Yeah, man, she kind of sensitive. I'm going to trust you all the way through. You understand? But I just want to confirm before me bring her down here. She never really talkative and she never look up in her face. So if she don't say nothing to you, don't make you feel like say boy she don't want you around her. Alright? Yeah, man.
Public! Yo!
Okay.
I'm not your camera, man.
Oh, babe. See you in person.
Hello.
You want this?
Yeah, man. You see her before?
Yeah, first Wednesday.
First Wednesday.
I feel woman to come out.
Babe, this is my brethren. Togadan. It's my only Brittany. He know I need to talk about, so he go kind of anything I want, like if you want food and so forth, if you want to go down there town, you can drop out the car. You understand?
Yeah, man.
So you go.
Anything, my handyman.
So basically, you understand? So basically, I'm not gonna make you stress. Cause I know you go stress. Don't say me the day I can help you, and the help I don't know what I'm to have this week. She just cancel upon me like that.
So, him go deal with all of that.
Yeah, man. Me I do everything for no until Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Alright.
So any little thing, you call. If you want to toilet paper, you call me. And you understand? We just explain, so you can catch it.
Tell the people, can't do fast.
Oh, me just say examples.
No, everything too far. But everything alright.
She's a nice girl still, me, you know. She's nice. You understand how you love her. Understand?
I true. Yeah, so it's because I'm going to left in the night, yeah. Because I'm call you and make you.
Yeah, man, me understand, man, because it did say half in the night,
so we talk, yes, sir?
Yeah, man, just call me. Even if ever I can call.
Yeah, anytime.
Anytime. I'll be right through. The night, you will come out there. Yeah, yeah, cut, yeah?
Yeah, man, cut and go, man. Yeah, man, respect.
Journey, you know.
Thank you, man. Thank you for taking up the offer. Yeah?
So when I receive it,
We talk, man. We talk. Where is it?
Alright.
I must have a number and I can call and talk to you. See?
when WhatsApp, when I use this straight card thing.
Alright, no problem.
Alright.
No more respect. So later. You gotta take good care. No worries, sir. Yeah?
Hopefully.
No man, you good man.
Right time I come.
Well, you can't do that, them something, man.
Sorry,
You
sorry.
know better than that, man.
Sorry. Right time I come, man.
What one?
There, man.
I'll go up and look at it. See how it is.
Nice, man.
Hey, you don't know the thing on.
I feel better, I'm going to check. Fear boy public. A long time high school. You might tell me, say, I'm going to go on a career. 1 week, I'm left with the woman.
Left you with you, what?
The woman. And then another damn thing there, man. Public trust me, you know, say, me not fool around her.
Trust you?
Yeah, you trust me.
Me can't get him a look, eh? Yo.
Why me want she call me in a car, 40,000 she might pay me, you know.
You say?
For 1 week.
Hear me, I say.
I mean, I really charge him still, just say buy me a juice.
Oh man, that good man. You know me, what you do for me? Cause I see me and the man, I know the man from high school, you know. Cause you see in high school, they did have one pretty piece of Indian. Crystal, the boss. Oh my goodness. I say, I love Crystal,
You know, you love the Indian, brother.
Brother, I mean, I don't know from what are where this man I tell this Crystal in a be. Make the Crystal talk to me. She do make me say no matter how much roses, no matter how much love letter me spray cologne pan and send go give her.
You know what?
No talk from me. I only if I find her from the show. But she and my bridging, good bridging no apart. But I say good
You take your girl.
me from in high school, the love of my heart. All know my heart now come back. The man take away my heart beat, my brother. Right now, me I tell you say, but you what me want you do for me though. Yeah, brother.
You really know bad business.
No, man. Nothing bad. Nothing bad me I do, you know. Wait, hold on there. You love, you come over me and go eat food, don't
Yeah, I'm taking
and you want food, don't So here what you have to do. If you want me cook food for you 1 year worth of free food, me I go give you. Every day evening you come, you get a plate of food. This is what you're going to do. I want one time you go to the yard. I want you to take your little time and you wiggle your way in, you see me? You know why you force on for that?
No, you do pull when you go over there. You have to struggle.
Me not talk that way to my boss. You talk like get team with her, get close to her, get to know her good. You know, make she trust you. Make she can't go in back to go be.
No trouble.
No man, he not go say nothing. He not go vex. Cause me never did vex when I take out my girl in high school. See me still living. Me have one heart left, but that instant me still living. So I don't need to do this, man. I want you get team with her. I want you make she trust you. I want you team with her good, you see me? I want you make it mash him up.
No, once she deal with me good, me deal with her good. You understand? Says me go buy something for her, she tip me, so good.
Me not talk them way the bro man. And I saw the tip figure. Me want you give her the tip.
Oh, you want me to tip her?
Yes, you understand when I say tip her? Yes, man, want you tip her over and bend her over a certain way and put me in a certain position.
And make you just say that man, broke public now beg still.
No, I tell you, but when him not know now gonna hurt him, it's only me
true,
and you and she.
Because I get food.
Only three we are gonna know about it.
True.
So me, I go have my little secret now upon him. I did mash me up, me say me have one heart left, you know.
Yeah.
Me have one over him when time this go down. But you see where we do, it's not how you do it, you have to come tell me immediately as it starts, you have to tell me about it.
We can go over there tonight, no? We're gone.
Even in Ghana already?